Hey everyone, my name is Yvan Why. A little bit about me. I'm a trader and trading psychology consultant. I've been in the space for 20 plus years, and I've been in the COA program since I believe June. What compelled me to join the program was, first it was Ed's YouTube ad. I felt his authenticity and he spoke to my problem, which is not knowing how to sell and scale up my business. I decided to check out his offering, and the next day I had a call with Tina and then Josh. And now in hindsight, I can see how Josh did the closer process on me. And I mean, it worked because here I am. Learning the closer process was a game changer for me. I'm a big introvert, so it's fair to say that I'm not that good with people. But I still went ahead and booked calls and followed the closer script to a T. And I mean, here we are today, 49K in sales in about a month. Hence this award. So it's pretty much what I wanted to say, what I wanted to share with you guys. Thanks to the COA team for sending me this. I really appreciate it. Oh, and by the way, there's something I have to add, I have to mention. I I don't, I do have a pretty significant following on social media, especially on Twitter. And so those calls were from hot, those sales were from hot calls. So, and now my goal is to experience with cold calls, which I'm gonna start doing very soon. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you again for this. Good luck to everyone. If I can do it, you can do it. Um, be a good listener. Be a calm and soothing presence, and inquire. Show that you understand your prospect's problem, and I mean it's bound to work for you. Take care.